What an incredible find! Nestled in Deer Creek Estates is where you'll find this stunning two-story home with well over 8,000 square feet of comfortable yet gracious living space. The front entrance will welcome you the moment you arrive with a grand brick paver covered front porch that leads into the foyer with a beautiful curved staircase, and to the right, an office with 3 walls of built-ins and glass French doors. And on the left, you'll find glass pocket doors that invite you into the formal dining space. Head straight in and step down into the large family room with a gorgeous stacked stone fireplace, and on the other side of the fireplace is the cozy hearth room that opens to the kitchen that will inspire the inner chef in everyone. The master suite will not disappoint, with a massive spa-like master bath complete with beautiful built-ins and jetted tub. The entire back of the home has windows and glass doors that bring the outdoors in and showcase the pool area. The lower level has another living area, a theater room, as well as a bar, kitchenette with plenty of room for a pool table, plus a bedroom, full bath, and another office area or flex room, and tons of storage. And now for the wow! This property includes a complete guest house that offers its own 2 bedrooms and full bath, kitchen and dining, living room, laundry room, solarium, and private front entrance plus garage. Summer will be here soon, so you'll be sure to enjoy the pool, and in addition to everything else, there's a second garage that includes a bathroom. Do not wait, call the Morningstar Group for your personal tour today.